In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a small business by leveraging the power of Alibaba and eBay. This approach combines sourcing wholesale products and using platforms to reach a global audience, offering a fantastic way to build your own business venture with relatively low risk. First, let's start by creating accounts on Alibaba and eBay. Head to the Alibaba website and click on the Join Free button, usually found at the top of the homepage. Fill out the necessary details, such as your email address and desired password, and complete any additional verification steps that might be required. Once your Alibaba account is set up, navigate over to eBay. There, you'll find a similar sign-up process. Click on Register or Sign Up, and enter the required information to get started. Establishing trustworthy accounts on both platforms is crucial, as it sets the foundation for your business operations. With your accounts ready, it's time to find wholesale products on Alibaba. Start by exploring various categories or using the search function to locate products that interest you. Pay attention to items with high demand and a strong track record. As you browse, you'll notice various supplier ratings and reviews. Take time to choose suppliers who have positive feedback, as this will be essential in ensuring product quality and reliability. Feel free to message these suppliers to ask important questions about pricing, minimum order quantities, and delivery timeframes. Now you have a decision to make. You can either purchase in bulk or arrange dropshipping with these suppliers. Buying in bulk typically offers a lower price per unit, ideal for those planning to store and ship products themselves. However, if you prefer to minimize your upfront costs and storage concerns, dropshipping may be the best option. With dropshipping, when a product sells, the supplier ships it directly to your customer, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer service. Once you've secured your products, the next step is to list them on eBay with competitive pricing and detailed descriptions. Crafting a compelling listing is key to attracting buyers. Be clear and concise, highlighting the product's features, benefits, and any unique selling points. Consider using high-quality images that accurately represent the product, as this can dramatically boost buyer confidence. To remain competitive, research similar products on eBay, adjusting your prices strategically to ensure they are enticing for potential customers. After listing your products, it's time to fulfill orders by shipping them from your Alibaba suppliers or from your own stock. If you opted for dropshipping, coordinate with your suppliers to handle the packaging and shipping process efficiently. However, if you purchased in bulk, make sure to handle the storage and logistics properly, ensuring timely delivery to your customers. Communication with both your suppliers and customers is crucial in this phase, as it fosters trust and facilitates smooth transactions. And there you have it. You've set up your accounts, selected your products, planned your sales strategy, and established a process for fulfilling orders. Following these steps will place you well on your way to running a successful online business. Stay focused, keep learning, and continue refining your approach as you grow.